Listen to Dominion World Today with God's servant Dr. Maxwell A. Hagen.
The gospel is a witness
L'évangile est un témoignage
that God can save people.
que Dieu peut encore sauver des
The
gens.
gospel is the witness
La bonne nouvelle est un
that
témoignage
heaven is real
que lorsque vous lisez
and hell is real.
que l'enfer
The
est
gospel is a
réel.
witness.
His passion for ministry and soul winning has transformed many lives through the working of miracles, signs, and wonders.
The gospel is the proof
L'évangile est une preuve
of God's love for us.
de l'amour de Dieu pour
It
nous.
shall be preached.
Elle sera prêchée.
Tell somebody it shall be preached.
Dites à quelqu'un, elle sera prêchée.
Now, today's message.
Do not look down on people, for people's lives matters. A person that you ignore today may be your appointed helper in this life. Hello, welcome to MBS, and this is Wisdom. Romans chapter 14 and the verse 10. Why do you criticize and pass judgment on your brother? Or you, why do you look down or despise your brother? For we shall all stand before the judgment seat of God. This is very, 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 very important. You see, one of the challenges we have as a people is the attitude of looking down on others. I am sure that even as I'm talking to you now, there is somebody that you really don't want to see. There is somebody that you really despise. Deep in your heart, you don't want to even acknowledge the person as a factor in life. But I'm here to encourage you this morning. Once again, please remember, no one is a waste in this life. Everybody's lives matter. Every human being is precious in the eyes of God. No matter where you are today, no matter the challenges you faced, no matter what people have done to you, learn to acknowledge people and speak that which is right upon people. Over the years, there are a lot of change that Africa has gone through, and one of it that people normally talk about is what they call the African mindset. And as I was growing up, there's one word I used to hear: black mind, black mind, black mind, to mean that no African or an African has a negative mind all the time. But is it really true that Africans have negative minds, that Ghanaians have negative minds? The fact of the matter is that we have accepted the words until today. Most people are not able to do much because they believe that they have already been branded with an attitude of negative things. As I'm talking to you, people's attitude of bad character, people's good attitudes have been poisoned by the words of other people. It is time for us to stop the judgmental attitude whereby we look at people and brand them negative because we feel negative ourselves. We brand people negative because we feel they can't do that. How can a young black man do this? But there are a lot of young people around the world doing mighty things. If it is possible for them, why is it not possible for a black man? Let us come to the realization that we are our own enemies. We destroy each other and blame other people for our own distractions. We speak negative about each other and end up saying that other people don't like us. It is because of the attitude we've cultivated, an attitude that brings negative words from our mouths. As I'm talking to you, there are people who feel it is funny to make mockery at the progress of other people. Somebody came to me and introduced a book to me, and he said to me, I've been trying to write this book, but when I show it to people, they make a mockery out of me. They said I cannot do anything. They tell me that I'm nothing and I can't do this, I can't do that. Well, let me tell you honestly, those who tell you you can't do it, know that you have tried it, it worked, and if they don't break your heart, you'll be greater than them. Well, today the person has written 10 books. When I started, I remember I wrote some songs and I showed people that, look, I'm writing songs. They said, but how can you sing? How can you write this? It's not possible. I wrote books. They said, it's not possible. But I said to myself, I won't let anybody brand me with a negative thing. I can do it. And today, the same people tend to tell me that you've done well. My brothers and sisters, let us stop branding people with negative branding. When we change our attitude of negative branding, things will begin to be better in our eyes and in the eyes of people who sees us. God has anointed you. God has so many beautiful things for you. But if you don't change the way you see things, you will remain where you are. Ghana is blessed. Ghana is not cursed. But when everybody tends to speak negative about the country, of course, even if you have a positive agenda, you can't do it, because there is power in the tongue. When you see things, know how to give a positive critique instead of branding everything negative. Because when it is spoiled, you remain there, you have nowhere going. Speak right and let the Lord be a blessing to you. Today, when you change your attitude, you will see God's blessing. Today, when you decide to speak that which you believe, you will manifest that which you have expected. God bless you and have a blessed day. They'll be laughing at you. When will you have your own? Let me tell you something. Your own is in your ability to serve others. The Bible says, if you are faithful in that which belongs to another, you shall have your own. But if you are not faithful, you may never have your own. So today I encourage you. I know you have great dreams. I know you want to be famous. I know you want to be rich. You want to have your own houses and cars and beautiful, favors. It is true and it is possible. But I encourage you in the name of the Lord. All these desires you have are wrapped up in your ability to serve. Servants are always rewarded. And I encourage you, as you serve, may God reward you this year and beyond. May you be discovered and may you be rewarded handsomely, because you are a servant. God bless you and stay strong. Keep serving. Don't give up.
Holy words, long preserved.
Thank you for listening to Dominion Well. You can fellowship with us at the Dominion City, Yahima Chrome, every Sunday, 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. You can also call us on the numbers 020-7428-282 or 024-5729-707. God richly bless you. It is time to serve the Lord.